Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look right here. Before we jump in to the makeup look in today's video, as you guys know, Mother's Day is right around the corner. It's literally this Sunday. I know, I feel like I just celebrated Mother's Day with my mom. Like, these years are flying, okay? So Mother's Day is Sunday, so happy early Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I'm not a mom myself. I have my fur babies, but I don't have any human children. But I did want to say happy Mother's Day to those moms out there. You guys are literally super women. I did want to share what I think would personally be an amazing gift for your mom. Not even just for Mother's Day, you guys, even if it's her birthday or you just want to get her a just because gift. Like, who doesn't love a just because gift? So I did partner with Ana Luisa to bring you guys today's video. So if you guys do not know what Ana Luisa is, who Ana Luisa is, they're basically a jewelry brand that carries sustainable jewelry. You guys, even their price range is amazing for jewelry. Their prices start at $39, which is an amazing price for jewelry that's not going to irritate your skin. It's not going to change color on you. I have so many pieces from them at this point, and honestly, most of my collection is Ana Luisa. I absolutely love their brand, and not to mention that their shipping is super fast. So I highly recommend. The ear cuff that I'm wearing today is actually from Ana Luisa. I will of course show you guys an up close shot so you guys can take a look at it, but it is so beautiful. And I don't know about you guys, but I have been obsessed with ear cuffs. They're so beautiful, and they're such a great way to just take your look from 0 to 100. You get me? I did get 2 pieces for my mom as well that I just want to show you guys up close really quickly. And I also do have a discount code with Ana Luisa. If you guys use the code Tatanisha10 at the checkout, that will save you 10% off your order, which is super exciting. So definitely check the link down below so you guys can check out Ana Luisa. And they always drop new pieces on their website. And when I tell you guys, once they're gone, they're gone. So if you see something that you like, definitely snag it while you can. I'm someone that stalks that website every single Friday, okay, to see what's new because they're just beautiful. So when you receive your package, it comes in a box like this, and the box is made with 100% recycled paper, and this is what the box looks like right here. So super cute tiny box, nothing oversized, nothing ridiculous. And then this piece right here is called the Tiffany Earrings. This is the first piece that I got from my mom, and as you guys can see, it comes in a really nice suede pouch. It looks really nice, very luxe. And you guys, these earrings are so beautiful. So these are the earrings right here. So it has a moon and a star as well, and these are gold, and as you guys can see, they do have those really beautiful blue, kind of like blue turquoise detail, kind of like beads in the center. So beautiful, you guys. I know she's gonna be obsessed. And I also got her something else as well, which she actually does not know about. So she knows about the earrings because I let her pick them herself. This is the piece right here. So it's just a gold necklace, and it says mama on it. It is so beautiful, you guys. I am absolutely obsessed. Like I said, I will go ahead and leave everything down below, all the details that you need to know, so you guys can head over there after watching this video and definitely get you some amazing jewelry. So jumping back into the makeup look for today, I'm super excited. Number one, because this look was actually inspired by Kylie Jenner. I'll go ahead and put the picture up right here of her makeup look. So beautiful, you guys. She looked absolutely gorgeous. It was like a really beautiful yellow eye with a shimmer on the lid and then the pink liner. And then of course she had like the little cat eye inner corner liner going on with a bare lower lash line. Just her lower lashes were like covered in mascara. So that's what I did today, and this is how it came out. I think it came out really pretty. I really do like it. Definitely giving me the summer vibe, and not to mention that my entire face is affordable makeup except for my lip combo, which you guys will see what I'm wearing on my lips in the video, but everything else on my face today is affordable, which is very exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into today's video. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not already. Girl, what are you waiting for? We do a lot of makeup videos on here, a lot of tutorials, a lot of technique learning on here. I do reviews, we do it all. So make sure that you subscribe before you go. And of course, as always, if you guys would like to see how I created this look right here, inspired by the absolutely stunning Kylie Jenner, then just keep on watching. You guys, so So jumping straight in to today's makeup look, I did already prep my eyes with my usual P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2, but I'm also adding a little bit of this base that's also from P. Louise. This one is in the shade Yummy Yellow. It's a super vibrant, bright yellow shade. It just gave me that hue of yellow onto my lids so that way when I apply the shadows, they just pop a little bit more. It's totally fine if you guys do not have this base. Using just the regular P. Louise base is more than enough. I was just being a little extra. So moving on to the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today. This is the Honey palette from ColourPop. I haven't used this palette in a minute. So the first shade that I'm going to be using is the shade Sweet Spot. And I'm going to actually put this right into my crease and the inner corner as well. But this color is actually going to be going all over the lid too. So I packed it in the crease first. And now as you guys can see, I took a fluffy brush just to make sure everything was nice and blended. And then I did go in with just a packing brush just to go ahead and completely cover my lid. Then of course I went back and forth with the packing brush and the blending brush just to make sure everything looked really nice and seamless, because this color here is really the star of the show. So for the shimmer on the lid, I'm also using a shade from this palette, but I am going to go ahead and spritz my brush with this e.l.f. spray. And the shade that I'm going in with here is the shade called Dandy. It was absolutely perfect for this, and that is basically it. So moving on to the pink, I did want to use an eyeshadow. Hers looked really nice and soft, so I'm going into this Ooh La La palette from ColourPop, and I'm taking that brighter pink. I also did go ahead and prep with some Scotch tape just so that way this is super easy. So because I already basically pre-lined that outer corner, I can actually just be super messy with this, because no matter what, once you peel off that tape, it's going to be super crisp and clean. So I created that winged liner, and then of course I'm just going to give you that satisfaction of peeling off that tape. Girl, crisp. So I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. Of course, I'll leave the lashes down below because they were also affordable, so make sure you check the description box. So for primer, I went in with this MILANI Peach Primer. This is their Glass Skin Primer. It was so nice, you guys, and it actually had a scent to it. It smelled like peach rings, the candy, if you guys are familiar. It was so bomb and gave my skin such a beautiful glow. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Hard Candy GLAMAFLOUGE Foundation. I've been using this in every single video, and today's video was the perfect excuse to use it again, because technically it is an affordable look and this is an affordable foundation. So I did go ahead and apply that to my skin using my e.l.f. Duo brush. Love this brush. It's bomb. It's also affordable. Look at me saving you guys some money. So I went ahead and applied that all over my skin, and you guys, the coverage, insane. So moving on to cream bronzer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13. At the moment, this shade is a little bit deep for me, but it's okay. We made it work. So I like to go ahead and bronze my cheeks, and then whatever is left on the brush, I'll go ahead and bronze the sides of my nose. Now, at first, this is going to look insane because we have those stark, super intense brown lines on the side of our nose, but trust me, it's all going to come together. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is the hydrating version. This one right here is in the shade Light Beige. And this shade is perfect for me, so I went ahead and just highlighted all the areas I usually do, underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, my chin. And to go ahead and blend this concealer out, I'm just using a Colored Rain sponge. This is a really nice hydrating concealer that has really great coverage, okay? So if you're somebody who's not trying to break the bank, I'm telling you guys, these products that I'm using in today's video are so bomb, and you can get them at places like Ulta, CVS. Girl, they're super easy to find. So for setting powder, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder to go ahead and set underneath my eyes. I'm using mine in the shade Light. Really nice powder. Definitely gives you a super brightening effect, as you guys can see here, but it just looks stunning. It has really super tiny micro shimmers inside the powder, but it just gives your skin such a beautiful glow. And then to set my entire face, I'm going to be using my number 7 Lift Illuminate powder. This is probably the most expensive item, but you can get it at Walgreens, so technically it's at the drugstore. So for bronzer, I'm going to be actually using the Essence Bronzing Palette. You guys, this palette right here, amazing. Okay, you cannot beat it, and it's always on sale at Ulta, and it's already only $10. So if you guys see it at Ulta, definitely pick it up because it is amazing. So smooth on the skin, so nice and bronzy. So I went ahead and bronzed up my face, of course, and whatever is left on my bronzer brush, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rub it all over my nose. I know it looks like a hot mess, but guess what? we're about to clean it up and it's gonna look like I actually knew how to contour my nose when I don't. So go ahead and apply it like a hot mess on your nose. And then now what I'm gonna do is take some loose powder. This is actually the Coty Airspun powder. Yes, I still use that powder. You can actually find it at Walmart, super affordable. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my bronzer, but I'm not gonna drag it all the way down to the corners of my mouth because I just don't like that look. I just wanna make sure it looks nice and clean towards my jawline. And then I'm also going to take that powder to the sides of my nose. It should look something like this. And girl, we're going to let her sit, okay? Let her do her magic. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and apply my blush. I'm using the BEIGE Cosmetics Vanilla Peach Truffle Quad. Super beautiful shades in here, you guys. I'm obsessed with these blush palettes. They're gorgeous. And I'm just going to obviously go ahead and go ham with the blush. What's new? You guys know I never know when it's time to put the blush down. It's seriously a problem. So I went ahead and packed on that blush, and now it's actually time to wipe away that powder. So I went ahead and wiped off the jawline first. As you guys can see, it just really cleans it up, especially because I use such a big brush for bronzer. And then of course we're gonna wipe the sides of the nose. And girl, you cannot tell me that it does not look like I contoured my nose when I didn't. It was all the powder, okay? Super easy hack. I actually saw it on TikTok and it works, and I've been hooked ever since. So now for highlight, I'm using the Coty Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Heavenly. Really beautiful highlight. This is one of those highlighters that doesn't just sit on the skin but really melts in, and it just makes your skin look really nice and flawless. And that is basically it for the face makeup. So just like in the photo for the lower lash line, it was basically bare. She didn't have anything in her waterline, but she did drag in that pink liner into her inner corners. I couldn't get that on camera. I was like super close to the mirror. I apologize. But now what I'm going to do is go ahead and give myself a really good couple of coats of mascara. I've been obsessed with this one. That one was the MAC Giga Black Lash for my lower lashes. And then for lips, yes, I left the lip combo in today's video. I'm going in with my KKW lip liner in the shade Nude Number 2. I literally use this lip liner in every single lip combo. It's so versatile, you guys. It's bomb. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade Nakey Nakey. Like I said, these are the two products that are not affordable, plus this one right here. This is the Tarte Tarteist lip paint in the shade Namaste. It's the perfect pinky nude, and I definitely wanted to have that pink hue to the lips as well. So I added that right over top and went ahead and just blended that in with a brush. But then I did want a gloss, of course. But before we add the gloss, I am going to go ahead and just contour my lips with the lip liner one more time. This is how I get that really pretty, super pouty, full lip. Super easy hack, and you guys, I have to do this. Like, I love it. I feel like my lips look so odd if I don't. So here's the lip combo without the gloss, but of course I did want a really pretty glossy lip. So I'm going to be going in with this lip gloss right here. This was from the Morphe and Coca-Cola collection, you guys. I don't even know if you can get this gloss anymore, but any pinky nude gloss will work, and that's the finished lips. For setting spray, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. and Jen Atkins Mist Me Mist. Super beautiful mist that gives you a beautiful glow to your skin, and that's basically it. We basically just locked everything in place, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed this recreation of Kylie Jenner's look. Super fun summer vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.